Vámonos.
The story of Three Sisters Artisanal Meats and that of my family begins in Spain, specifically the region known as Castilla y León. It is here in the hills of the province of León where both sides of my family, for generations, would make a variety of different cured meats, and at the heart of that was chorizo. Paternal grandparents, Frutos and Albina Fernandez, as well as my maternal grandparents, Ignacio and Maximiliana Aceves, retained the tradition and taught it to my parents, Santiago and Kundi. I learned the tradition while growing up on a little ranch in Northern California just outside the town of Arbuckle. And it's here where half the namesake of Three Sisters comes from. It's for the Three Sisters Ranch, the first ranch my father worked on when he came to California. The other half of our namesake is for my mom, who is one of three sisters, and it's her family who is truly responsible for the recipe. In fact, I've even been to Spain and have made chorizo in the village with one of the original sisters. I began Three Sisters in 2018 at the Golden Gate Meat Company in Richmond, California. And it was here where I learned all the ins and outs of the meat industry, including production, packaging, and distribution. We started out small but steady, never veering from our tradition, our recipe, or our quality ingredients. It wasn't too long before we started to grow. And through hard work and lots of demos, we finally made it onto our first shelf. And we kept having more demos. And we kept making more chorizo. And our sales began to grow. We started to make real visible progress. And we went to different food expos. And our packaging started to get better. And we kept on doing even more demos. It took a lot of patience, grit, and determination, but we quickly became one of the most recognizable names for chorizo in the entire Bay Area. What I've been able to do is take our family recipe and tradition and transform it into one of the most delicious, versatile, and uniquely profitable product lines on the US food market today.